everyone, welcome back to SkillDeck channel. My name is Richa and I'm back again with the next video. Today in this video, we are going to talk about databases and the different data roles. As you all know that we are running the series on IT recruitment, and to understand the IT recruitment, we are covering a different designations. This is part 3 of that series where we are learning about databases and data roles. I hope you are liking these videos. If yes, please hit like, comment, subscribe the channel, share the channel with your HR fraternity, and do comment and tell me what are the other topics you want me to cover so that I can create a video on that. Now, for databases and data roles, let's go and let's start learning. We are going to explore the field of databases and data roles. As IT recruiters, it's crucial to understand the different types of databases, then the roles involved, and then the skills required. These all things will ultimately help us as an IT recruiter to source and select the best candidates, because we will be aware then what are the keywords, what are the prime things to look for. Now, first understand the different type of databases. There are two type of database that you are able to see on your screen also: relational and non-relational databases. Relational databases use structured query languages to define and manipulate data. They store data in tables with rows, columns, ensuring data integrity through ACID properties, means atomicity, consistency, isolation, durability. So that relational means where the data is properly stored in rows and columns. Examples for this database is MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQLite, MariaDB. These all are the relational databases. Non-relational databases, we call them as a NoSQL. These databases are designed for unstructured data, means no proper rows and columns, unstructured data, but provide flexibility in data modeling. Mainly when the data is big data or real-time web applications, there we use NoSQL. For document stores, we use MongoDB, Couchbase. For key value stores, Redis. For wide column, like you need a wide column storage, Cassandra. HBase we use. Graph database, a database in the graphs, if it is there, New4j is used. So NoSQL, it depends, like whether it's a graph database, wide column database, document, key value. According to that, the database will be different. MongoDB, Couchbase, Redis, Cassandra, HBase, New4j for NoSQL. And SQL, we understood MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQLite, MariaDB. These are the relational and non-relational. After this relational and non-relational databases, what are the now roles that is involved? Okay, we understood these are the two databases, and these database keywords we have to put when we are finding a person related to database. But what will be the different designations in this database? We have a different designations like DBA, database administrator, database developer, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, business intelligence developer, ETL developer, big data engineer, search engine developer. These are the different designations. We will understand them one by one. Database administrator means DBA. Who is this person? He is managing database system. Let me make you understand. I'm talking about this person, database administrator. This person main job is to manage a database, ensuring that database is available, doing the performance tuning and backup, recovery, security management of the data. This is the job role of database administrator. Now, what this person should be aware of? This person should be aware of SQL, SQL, knowledge of database management system, DBMS, performance optimization, and database security. These will become the keywords for DBA profile. Now, the next profile, we have a database developer. This person is responsible to design, implement database schemas, stored procedure, optimizing queries. Now, what the skills this person should be aware of? This person should be aware of SQL proficiency, understanding of relational, non-relational database design, and should know a programming skills. Should have these skills. Data analyst, DBA and database developer. These people were there to ensure the database safely secured, build, writing a programming to have a stored database, these things. Now, if I want some output from the data, these people were input or managing or securing the data. But if I want to have a predictability, analysis, now the rest designations are for that. The first in that category is data analyst. The role and responsibility of data analyst to analyze the data, create a data visualization, preparing a report. If we talk about HR, do we create a recruitment matrix, a recruitment dashboard? So we create a visualization, because when you visualize the data, make a charts, it's easy to understand. That's the job role of a data analyst. So the data analyst use a data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, SQL understanding is required, and little statistical knowledge is required for data analyst. We don't expect the data analyst to do the predictive and all. We just want the data analyst to clear the data, sort the data, put it in a right format, and sometimes we need the data analyst to make a visualization, means charts. Now, the next role is data scientist. This person is responsible to use a predictive models. In HR also, we do the prediction. Like I can predict, if I have a data of your company, I can predict how many people can leave your organization next. We have a regression models. We have R Studio as a tool. Python can do it. This is the job responsibility of a data scientist. So data scientists will build the predictive models, conduct the advanced data analysis via machine learning. So when I talk about machine learning, the programming languages will be Python, R. These are the programming languages we expect data scientists to know. Machine learning algorithms, statistical analysis, manipulation of data, cleaning of data, sorting of data, that all skill set we expect from data scientists. These will become the keywords for data scientists. Now, the next role is data engineer. This data engineer is responsible to build and maintain data pipelines, ensuring integration of data from different sources. Like I have a data in some other tool, how to integrate that. I'm getting a data from FB leads, I'm getting a data from LinkedIn leads, how to integrate them in a one source. This is the job role of data engineer. So we need a ETL is the skill set what we expect: extract, transform, load. ETL means extract the data, transform the data, and load. This is the skill set we expect from data engineer. And along with that, the person should have a programming language knowledge, Python, Java, Scala, and should understand a big data technology, Hadoop and Spark, because data is big, how to transform. So big data technologies are different. That's Hadoop and Spark. So data engineer keywords become ETL, extract, transform, load processes, programming language, Python, Java, Scala, big data technology, Hadoop, and Spark. I hope we got now the clarity, the difference between data scientist, data analyst, and data engineer. Now let's talk about BI developer, business intelligence developer. These people develop and maintain BI solutions. They create a dashboards, reports, they optimize data models. The tools what they use are same like the data analyst use: BI, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, data warehousing. These will become the tools, but they are more experts than data analyst. Data analyst is just sorting, clearing a general dashboards, but business intelligence is creating a dashboard, optimizing the data models, and final report for the prediction that person is preparing. Developer, that person design and implement ETL process. ETL we have understood: extract, transform, load. To extract the data, transform the data, and load the data to the new thing. So this ETL developer is mainly for that. That person ensure the data is accurately extracted, transformed, and loaded to the new thing. So ETL tool knowledge is, there are ETL tools, Informatica, Talent. These are ETL tools. So ETL developers should have a knowledge of these: Informatica, Talent, SQL, data integration, data warehousing. Big data engineer, the next designation. Big data means a big data, a large scale data. So the person who has a experience or a knowledge of handling a large data, processing, building data pipelines for big data applications. Big data applications are different. We, as I said, we have a technologies for big data: Hadoop, Spark, programming language, Java, Scala, Python. These are the response keywords we use for big data. For search engine developer, that person is responsible for implementing, maintaining search engine functionalities, optimizing search algorithms, the technologies, I mean Elasticsearch, Solar. That is the job of search engine developer. Means doing when you parse the data, right, then how the search will happen. Now if you do the search on LinkedIn, you use boolean. So search engine developer is required who will put the data, optimize the data according to the search algorithms. And for that they use Elasticsearch, Solar programming, and data indexing. So let's quickly do the recap. What we need for these data roles, we need common languages. What is used for these is Python, R, Java, Scala. For data visualization, we use the tools for Tableau, Power BI, Click. For big data, we use Hadoop, Spark, Kafka. ETL, extract, transform, load tools are Informatica, Talent, SSIS. For DBMS, database management, the person should have a knowledge of MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, NoSQL database. These are the main skills and tools that we required in data roles. Hope we are able to understand through this video what are the different databases and what are the key roles and skills, tools that's required to source the right candidate for the databases and its roles. Please watch part 1 and part 2 also to understand the different type of developers, mobile app developers, so that you have a thorough knowledge that's required to start your IT recruitment journey. I hope you are liking the videos. If yes, please like, comment. Don't forget to comment and tell me what are the other topics I should record, and also subscribe the channel. Please share the channel with your fellow HR fraternity and visit our website www.theskilldeck.com to know about our upcoming courses. I'll see you in some other video. By then, take care. Bye bye.